Hello, it's Silk Road Flavors with you. Today we'll cook Uighur, also known as Xinjiang Dapanji. We'll need the following ingredients. We'll start off by cutting the potatoes at random shapes. Chop the garlic into small pieces, just like this, and cut bell peppers of all three colors: yellow, green, and red. We need roughly half of each colored bell pepper. I start by adding chicken and potatoes onto a pot. Note this food doesn't require any oil or onions. Then I add garlic and ginger, tomato paste, paprika, salt, and red chili, which is optional. Then I add dissolved chicken stock, and Chinese 5-spice and sugar. Give a gentle surface stirring and cover the lid. Turn on the fire and boil for 15 minutes on a medium fire. Whilst the food is cooking, I boil the noodles, or tagliatelle. After 15 minutes, add dark soya and mixed bell peppers. Gently stir everything and add spring onions, but you can skip the step depending on your taste. Then mix everything and cover the lid for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we give a good stirring and ready to serve the food. We'll put tagliatelle first on a plate and the rest of the food on top. I add spring onions for decorative purposes, but this is only optional. The food is ready. Bon appetit!